Hello students, today we will discuss the numerical of class 7 standard, that first chapter second chapter first chapter numericals, that is physical quantity and measurement. We have already started that chapter, we have already completed that chapter also. So here the numericals are related to mainly density, speed, and maybe these two terms are there. So we will just recapping the thing that speed is actually the distance covered by time. So you all know that one. Unit of speed will be meter per second in SI system. In CGS system it is centimeter per second. In case of density, that is the ratio of mass by volume. It can be written as m by v in mathematical form. Density unit is gram per centimeter, gram per centimeter cube, that is in CGS system. In SI system, that is that is kilogram per meter cube. Okay, so these are the thing you need to just keep in your mind, because these units are very important while you will do the numericals. Because suppose the mass is given in kilogram and volume is given in centimeter cube, then you have to convert any one of these two in a same unit. Okay, so that's why I'm telling that one. Suppose you are calculating the speed of a body, maybe speed while you will calculate, so two things are required: distance and the time. Maybe time is given in hour and the distance is given in kilometer. So you have to convert these two things. Okay, kilometer per hour, then the unit will come. So in this way you will just follow the rule. I will tell you all the numericals which are present in your syllabus. So let's start today. Okay, so first numerical that is given in your book. So you keep open your book, and I'm not writing the question here, I'm just only discussing the answer. So first question here, first question which is given that is, calculate the mass of a liquid with a density of 3.2 gram per ml inverse. That means minus 1 it is written, that gram per ml, that means and a volume of 25 ml. Ml means milliliter here. So first thing, two datas are given. First thing is given, we are going to calculate the mass of that body, that means m we are going to calculate here. What the things are given? The density of that liquid is given. How much? That is 3.2 gram ml inverse, or that means 3.2 gram per milliliter. Okay, that is given, and the volume of that one is also given, that is 25 milliliter ml. Okay, so what we are going to calculate? The mass of the body here. So we know that density D is equal to m divided by v. Density is D, mass is m, v is the volume. What we will calculate? The mass of the body according to the question. So from here, therefore we can write down m is equal to D into v. We can write down from here. So you just multiply these two things. Density is given this one and volume is given this one. So 3.2 into 25. So if you multiply these two things, you will get the exact value of that one, and then you will put the unit of that one. So I am using the calculator. You just use with the you can easily calculate that one. So if you multiply that 3.2 into 25, then 80 will come. Okay, so 80 will come. Now you have to put the unit of that one. What will be the unit? All these units are given in CGS system, so definitely you have to use the unit of this gram. Okay, so G. So the mass of this body will be equal to 80 gram. So that is the first numerical. Second numerical, what is given? Just you read the question here. That is given an irregular object with a mass of 18 kilogram. Any irregular shape object is just like this is given to you, which is having mass m is equal to 18 kg or 18 kilogram, and displaces 2.5 liter of water when it is placed in a large overflow container. Okay, so the volume is also given. volume is given how much? 2.5 L. That means capacity is given actually 2.5 liter. So you have to calculate the density of that one. So density, that means D will calculate. Same formula we will use, this formula, that means D is equal to M by V. So D is equal to mass by volume, here we know that one. So mass is given 18 and volume is given 2.5. So if you simplify that one, then 18 into 10, here 25 will come. Okay, then if you cut this one by 5 only, then 2 will be here and 5 will be here. So 36 divided by 5. So if you divide 36 by 5, then you will get the result 7.2. 7.2. Okay, here now the question is, what will be the unit of that one? So definitely you are getting density is 7.2 here. What will be the unit of that one? So unit means the density unit is always the unit of mass divided by the unit of volume. Mass unit is given kilogram. So first you write down kilogram. Then per means divided by. L is given in volume, unit of this volume is given in liter. So kilogram per liter, you can write down that one. Or same thing, that means 7.2 kg L to the power minus 1. That means this one and this one are same. Okay, inverse. So that is the first, second numerical. Next come to the third numerical. Third numerical is given that what is the question? I'm just first reading. The density of silver Ag is given 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. So density of Ag, that means silver, is given how much? 10.5 gram centimeter to the power minus 3, or same thing, 10.5 gram per centimeter cube. This is the density of silver is already given here. Now find the mass of Ag that occupies 965 centimeter cube of space. So 965 is what? 965 is the volume. That means volume is given 965 centimeter cube. We are going to find out the mass of that one. Okay, how much mass it is having. So density is equal to, we know that, mass by volume, or you can write down that mass is equal to density into volume. Density into volume. So if you just multiply this one, then you will get the result. That means density is how much? 10.5 and volume is already given 965. So if you multiply this one, 10.5 into 965, then you will get the result of that one is equal to this one. Okay, but here we will not write this way, we will just shift that one. So if you write down this one here, if you want to write this one in a 10 to the power something, then definitely this answer will be 0.01325 into 10 to the power 4, because I am just shifting this point here, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. So 4 unit in the left side, I am just shifting that one. So 10 to the power 4 is coming here. Okay, so in this way you can write down that one, or simply you can write down 1.01 into 10 to the power 4. Okay, what will be the unit of that one? Mass you are writing. So definitely the gram or G will be the unit of that one. So mass of this one is coming this. Next numerical, that is question number 4 we are now discussing. Now fourth one, what is given? That 2.75 kg sample. So first of all, 2.75 kg. Kg is a unit of mass. So definitely the mass of that sample is already given. This is given to you. Okay, is given. Sample of a substance occupies a volume of 250.0 centimeter cube. So volume is given 250 2.0 centimeter cube, or simply you can write down that one 250 centimeter cube. That is the volume of that one. Okay, now find the density in gram per centimeter cube or gram centimeter cube unit. So here one thing, if you notice, then you can just see that both these two units are not same. I mean to say that mass is given in kilogram and volume is given in centimeter cube. So what if you want to convert, if you want to get the unit of density in gram per centimeter, then definitely you have to convert this kilogram into gram first. So if you convert this kilogram into gram, then what will happen, how much you have to multiply or how much you have to divide with that one. So you know that one rule is there. This is, you know that already. So 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, definitely. So mass of that one will be how much? 2.75 into 1000 amount of gram. That will be the, if you convert that one, then gram unit will be will come. Then definitely both these units are same, and they are also asking that you should just write the density unit in gram per centimeter cube. So density is equal to how much? Density is mass by volume. So mass is already given, this one 2.75 into 1000 divided by 250. Okay, so now solving this one, if you multiply these two things, then definitely 2750 will come, divided by 250 will also come. Then if you cancel these two zeros and now calculate this to 275 divided by 25, then 11 will come. So you can see the answer is also given, that is 11 is coming. 11 gram per centimeter cube, or same thing you can write down 11 gram centimeter to the power minus 3. Okay, so that is the question number 4. Okay, now come to the question number 5. Question number 5 is given that under certain condition oxygen gas O2 has density is equal to some amount that is given. Find the volume occupied by 250.0 gram of oxygen under the same condition. So two datas are given, third one we have to calculate. What is given? That density of oxygen gas is already given, that is 0.00134 gram milliliter to the power minus 1. DO2 I have written only because of the density of oxygen is given. So O2 is the formula of oxygen, you know that one. So this is, and volume occupied by that one is how much? Volume is given 250.0 gram of oxygen under the same condition. Okay, gram of oxygen. Sorry, here volume is not given, actually mass is given. Mass of that one is given, mass of oxygen, that gram, this is gram unit. From here you can understand that the mass of this one is given. So we have to calculate the volume of that one. Okay, so now we know that density is equal to how much? Density is equal to mass by volume. So we have to calculate the volume of that one. So from here you can write down that that is equal to m by d only. Just simple mathematical calculation, you can understand that one. Mass is how much? Already given 250. 250.0 means only 250 divided by this one 0.00134, and the unit will come in the volume unit. Suppose if you use that one, then unit will come milliliter only, because they are using milliliter, or milliliter cube you can also use that one. Capacity they are asking, so milliliter. Okay, not milliliter cube, only milliliter. So suppose if you calculate that one, then the answer will come 250 divided by 0.00134. Then this result will come. Actually result is coming in this form, 186,567.164. Okay, so this if you write down, then answer will be perfect. Or if you use the decimal fraction, then also you can write down that one. So this is the answer of that one. Or answer is equal to, also you can write down 8 point, these all digits are only just 7 I am writing here. So into 10 to the power 5 ml will be the answer here. So next few numericals, all the numericals will not be possible to do here. So few numerical I will do in the next video. Okay, so you try to understand all this video. If any doubt is there, then you ask me, I will give the answer.